to save view one's photos and videos on WhatsApp. So if you want to save view one's photos and videos on WhatsApp, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp. Simply head over to your settings and then go with the chat and go with export chat and export the single chat in which you have photos or your videos. Or you can also just simply go back, select the chat in which you have view one's photos or videos, go with the top right which has that 3 dots, tap on more and then tap on export chat. Make sure to select the attached media and then click on save to files or copy to files. Now here I'll go with the file manager right here and then paste it. Once you've pasted, you will have your folder right here. On the bottom, as you can see, that I have the WhatsApp chat. Now you can just open up your file manager and tap on the WhatsApp chat folder that you've just saved. Now tap on extract and extract all of the files. Once you've extracted, it says finished extracting. Now you need to tap on the zip file or tap on the folder that we've extracted, which is not a zip file, and here you will have all of your WhatsApp view one's photos and videos. Well, that's how easy it was to download, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.